Hey guys, I'm Nobonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie's Pad. Today marks a very special day. I've partnered with Oki Home to introduce a brand new, smart and sleek one-touch air fryer that performs and enhances the beauty of your kitchen top in equal measures. Thank you Oki Home once again for reaching out to me. To celebrate this collab, I have come up with my take on a quintessential Bengali dish. Presenting to you macher paturi or baked fish in banana leaf parcels with green salad and beet cashew dip on the side. Let's get started. For more information about the air fryer, keep on watching.
Lightly spiced fresh chili and sea bass marinated in a yogurt mustard paste, baked to perfection in a jiffy to produce rich, moist and smoky deliciousness, flared up with mustard oil and banana leaf flavors. Pair it with salad and creamy and spicy beet cashew dip on top to kickstart the mid-week blues. Let me introduce the new age air fryer from Oki Home. The air fryer comes with a user manual, start guide and a recipe book containing 20 amazing recipes. Once you plug in, it shows 400° Fahrenheit by default. The display diagram features function buttons to select different modes of cooking, operating buttons to ensure the cooking experience is smooth, up and down temperature arrows to adjust the cook temperature before or during cooking, up and down time arrows to adjust the cook time before or during cooking. Press and hold the basket handle to check the food through the glass screen during cooking. Increase the quantities of chili if you like the food to be spicy. Less is more if the fish is fresh. For the list of ingredients, check the description box. Adjust the level of spiciness as per your taste. I have used milder mustard paste in this recipe. Make a simple marinade as the fish tastes delicious on its own merit. Lightly coat the skin of the fish. Sea bass has high fat content. Use less oil. Short marination period is enough to flavor the fish with spices. Beet cashew salad dressing is creamy and spicy. Add roasted garam masala into the mix to amp up any green variety salad. Use mustard oil to get the authentic taste of the dish. Toast the banana leaves in mustard oil to make them pliable, and that smoky roasted flavor will transfer to the fish. Don't add excess marinade to avoid the parcels from leaking in the air fryer. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. After selecting the time and temperature, start cooking by pressing the start/stop button. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.